Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Vanishing, and I welcome to all of you on my YouTube channel. And in this video, we are gonna to discuss how to improve English and how can we speak English fluently and naturally. For speaking English naturally and fluently, we will have to develop a habit of speaking English. If you are always surrounded by the Hindi language, then how you will be able to speak English. So first thing that you should start speak English, and you need to surround by English environment. And what will happen if you keep yourself English surrounded environment? I'm sure your English will definitely improve. What will happen when we are always surrounded by the English environment? We will learn a lot of sentence, a lot of ideas, what people say. And second thing, which can be very useful for the beginners who want to speak English, and they will have to consistency. Consistency is the one of the most important things for learning anything. If you are learning English or any other things, then consistency is must for learning anything. Suppose you want to learn cooking, dancing, and any other things, then you will have to be consistent. Without consistency, we cannot learn anything. So most of the person says that I have been speaking English for 2 hours, 2 months, 1 years, but after putting my a lot of effort, my English is not improvement. So I would also like to say the all people those who want to say this, were they consistent while during the practice? In the evening time, most of the persons show a lot of enthusiasm and passion to learn anything. But after passing times, their enthusiasm and passions go down, and they do not want to hard works to learning anything. They want to speak English in just within very short time. So this does not work like this, guys. If you really want to speak English, then you need to be consistent, and you will have to do practice daily. Without daily practice, it is not possible to learn English. So, first of all, you should always pay focus on the sentence formation. Sentence formation is the very one of the most important things to learn English. Without knowing sentence formation, we cannot learn English properly. You should be very well aware of the all types of the sentence, and you can make them within very short time without any difficulties. If you are very well aware of the sentence formation, then English can be very easy for you. But most of the persons always find difficulties in the sentence formation. Then it becomes difficult for them, those who are not very well aware of the practice of the sentence formation. And the third thing I would like to share with my friends, all of you. The third thing is that you should read you should read English relative content. Yeah, watch English relative video, magazine. I'm not asking you to every time you should watch English related video. If you are not fond of reading the English books, magazine and newspaper, then you can you can watch English related things. Once again, once again, if you have developed the habit of learning English, then it becomes very easy for speaking English. Then you will not feel any difficulty in learning English. Then I would like to say you guys, I would like to thank you all of you to watch my video patiently and emotionally. So thank you very much for watching my video, and thank you very much. Goodbye. Good afternoon.